So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day with gold. Yesterday, before Donald Trump's speech, um, well, I want to say something positive, but at this moment, nothing to say. Nothing good. 52.85. It increased massive yesterday before we go to the after the Donald Trump speech. So we don't have a structure. We don't have a structure. Um, well, not too much to do. And we'll start with the Dow Jones today. Dow Jones. So let's try to open the long position with Dow Jones here. Mm. So starting the day with Dow Jones. Mhm. What happened with the lot size? Okay. 49, 0, 41. Mhm. 75. Give me 1 second because NAS has a lot of numbers. 75. There. 2. 49. 104. 05. 3. 15. Okay. 49,150. 49,250. Well, thank you, the NAS. Let's see. For gold, testing the sun. I don't believe that much in the first sun. So let's see these 5 minutes for clarify the positions. Mhm. Mhm. Now Dow Jones is falling, losing an important point. Mhm. So well, here, mm, 60. Okay, if we want to validate this position, this point, we need something in the next 15 minutes. What we need, the price give us a reaction here and break the 0.5 and stay there more than the 2560. So let's see what happened there. It depends for the next three candles. Okay, the price still there, not that much. Now it's the time what we are going to see if we this is good confirmation to continue with the to the 4054. In what we need to break again the 0.5. The price is a must to stay there, and then give us a little reaction, then to continue for the 53 again or something like this. Um, well, that is the expectations, that is expectations for the next 15 minutes. We need to clarify it. So it's difficult, I know, but it's pure patience, pure patience. I know. I know many people don't like to wait, like the positions and everything. Well, it's part of it. It's part of it. And Nas is still there again. Well, it's not Nas. It's Dow Jones. The position is still there with no issues. Well, with many issues, yes, because he's in drawdown. But the stop is still there. Mhm. Okay. Price is breaking this little reaction into the 0.5. So 10 minutes. Remember, we need to wait these 10 minutes, okay? It's important to wait. I'm seeing a consolidation in S. 1 minute. Probably can take a re entry there. Not sure. That's right there. The best position. Mhm. Well, still there. Well, good reaction for Nas. Sorry for Dom. Finally, beautiful. But then- Mhm. Good reaction. 2 minutes. Mhm. Mhm. Reaction into the long position into the buy, Sam. Mhm. 5 minutes to confirm this point. Okay, let me clarify this. Something like this. Mm. Looking good. Mhm. Testing the 0.5, giving us a little reaction. So stay there, be clear. The We are waiting. And speak in English. Speak in English. Speak in English. So I'm going to block him. Hmm. Losing the force for at least we need to stay near to 52.65 at least. Mhm. Finally, which. Okay, guys. Spam. Don't spam into the chat. Hello, brother. Okay. Some spammers. Sorry for the spammers, but just say the same information one time, maximum two times. Uh, no, just one time. Well, the price is doing what we expect. So, so it's trying to be ready. Okay, it's time to focus in gold. 52.60. 59 could be a good point. Let's wait the some retracement. Mhm. Let's see, waiting some retracement. Got the confirmation, but not the retracement, so still waiting. Dow Jones almost TP1. Some retracement. Let's see if we can touch the okay, finally TP1. For the Dow Jones, Full partial. Full B now. Mm. The pips. So well, Dow Jones at least give us the 70 pips. Not too much. That was good. That was good. Thanks, God, Lewis. Yes, remember we got the different brokers. So when we got the different brokers try to add um more pips for the final stop or and reduce the lot size. So beautiful one, 70 pips. Now holding in full B. I did 3 entries there. I already closed 3 fully. Yes, that was great. Looking like this at this point. Point of entry 49.005. Then TP1 70 pips. Some positions was taken in TP1. And now just holding the full TP. We'll hold here at this. So that was great. That was great in Dow Jones. Was difficult one. It was a difficult one. It was a difficult one. But well, remember if you want to be receive more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free. Just be clear of that. It's $169 by lifetime subscription, guys. $169 lifetime subscription. lower price looks good around 48, 900, something like this. So well, guys, this the position, unfortunately, the sun works perfectly. The buy sun works perfectly. Um, all the pins done. Thanks. Perfect. Um, I'm wizard. Thanks to you for take the position there. That's great. So well, we got the Selsun. Yes, we got the Selsun here, and the Selsun is 52.86 here. So well, Bitcoin. I always share my just smart. Tag me into the Discord, and I will provide you the information. Se nos fue, sí, no hubo retroceso. So why we didn't take this position? Here was the confirmation, guys. Be clear of that. Here was the confirmation. This beautiful pin bar reaction. What was the problem? The problem is 99% of the time I will wait the retracement near to the 0.5. But as you can see, the 0.5 is here. 52.62. The price didn't give us the that retracement, and for that reason we didn't take the position. What happened? The little retracement what we have was this candle. This candle for 70 pips. Okay? Be clear of that. What this candle was for 70 pips. That was the retracement what we have. Then, of course, not even close to the 62. Then give us a consolidation in 70. 2, 3 candles, and then hard reaction, massive reactions for buyers. What means a massive reaction? That means candles for around 60 pips, 70 pips. 72 pips, and all that, the reactions. Okay, so for that reason we didn't take the position. Of course, some people here came to my streams and they just use the sums, the value sums, as a reference, and they take their own trades. Is similar what I share into the into the Telegram. I share the positions and everything. For example, here, well, the US rate. I shared the information here for Nest for Dow Jones. 4890, 900 is our point. The information what we have, the prices is following the trend line. The point of entry was difficult, of course, but for that reason we got the stop loss. Point of entry was in 49, then retracement, but then just give us a beautiful recover and the TPS. That's the information what I share into the gold too. Gold is the same. Possible sell some, possible buy positions, according the strategy, according the the positions there. So so for that reason, most of the time we are waiting here. Um, for that reason, just in trying to clarify, most of the time we need to wait the confirmations. But after the confirmations, you can open the trade if you want. No one here is forcing you guys for take any positions. Um, well, by my side, when the day is difficult like today, because today we have uh, the Fed, a meeting Fed. So I'm trying to provide another positions. For example, this is the sessions for today. New York session, and we prepare a long position in Dow Jones. Dow Jones was there. The order was provided. Um, well, point of entry, the TPS. When we were into the drawdown for keep the people quiet, I explained not a good reaction into the sum, waiting for 6 minutes for clarify the position. After these 6 minutes, and explain, we will hold the position in Dow Jones, and then Dow Jones give us 70 pips in positive. This is how it looks like when I don't trade gold for different reasons. As today, it didn't give us a positions, but I give another options in Telegram there. Mhm. So well, retracement. Okay, retracement. That's another point. That's a retracement. So we can go back to the regional plan. Let's see. Okay. The Dow Jones, the B was taken. Well, we had 70 pips to the trade. That was nice. 200 pips today. The resume for the Telegram 747 pips. Gold for 23 trades. Nasdaq 460 pips, 4 trades. Dow Jones 200 pips, 2 trades. USD Gem 1 trade minus 20 pips. So we're 3 mains, gold, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. They are in positive, so that's beautiful. Comentarios, tanto escenario. And remember, if you want to use a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options and many discounts for different companies for the prop firms. Remember, Match is not a prop firm company, it's a website, and in that website you can rate the prop firms, guys. So if you are thinking or you don't have the enough money for the real account, or just you don't want to take the risk in a real account, just go into the profitmatch.com. There you will see many options for prop firms with a really good offers and a really good discounts. So make me a favor, just go into the link and click into there, and you will see the important information. The link is into the description, and the link is into the chat, guys. Okay. So now gold is trying to retrace. So let's see. It got more than 400 pips today. Beautiful. So I will continue with this, like this, like. Mhm. So well, the 40.5266 looks like as a strong point. So well, we're gonna update the sun here. New sun in a new candle in 1 hour. Todo mal. Mhm. It's going to be a difficult decision for what now? You know, like because I think it will test the sell zone first, then go back. High volatility, high volatility. Um, yes, the streaming have a delay. The streaming have a delay. If you don't want to see a delay into the signals, just go into the Telegram. There you will see what is um, the exactly moment when I'm going to open the trade, and of course, the extra signals will be provided there. But yes, the streaming have a delay. Now we're waiting. Let me clarify when is the Fed is in 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay, we have time. We have time. Guys, the ones who are asking, remember the service for your Telegram and Discord is not for free. Okay, it's not for free. Remember, just to be clear, for the notice, I don't have any investment plans. The only way to contact me is through WhatsApp. If you come across any other channels or accounts claiming to be me in Telegram or by email, please report them immediately as scammers those under me. Thanks for your support, guys. Remember, this guy is not me. These channels, those channels, totally fake. I don't have any investment plans. So please be clear of that, okay? The only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. And there you will see the prices. It's not for free. Can't find the Telegram link, no, because it's not for free. It's not for free. It's a private channel. I lost my money today. Should I sell now? No. Just go. Get out of the markets. If you lose everything, why you want to lose more? Typical practice for trying to recover over trading. But if you lose your money, why you want to continue? No reason to continue. No reason to continue. Go take a break, 2 3 days, then try to come back. No, I'm not consider to trade silver. It's expensive, I may say. We have over three mains: Nasdaq, Dow Jones, gold. Um, Later in the second scenario, Bitcoin. Probably one or two trades for expires. Yes, exactly. with forex pairs, probably forex pairs just euro USD. Um, Euro USD, USD Gem, but that's all. Long time where I never touched the British pounds USD, for example. I already told you, CS develop. Just go and take your time. If you already lose all your money, no reason to you stay here. Okay, go and relax. Why? Because your brain already had suffered the stress for the losses, and probably if you take a decision now, it's going to be just for the revenge. It's better to see away, clear of your positions, clear of everything, with a good successful brain. Your brain, your major enemy is your brain. Most of the time, it's your brain, it's your feelings. That's your enemy, not the market. The market, it's the market, but your enemy is yourself. Yourself is your enemy, guys. So be clear of that. Okay, guys, 4 minutes. Okay, looks like good reaction into the. Looks like a pin bar reaction, high volatility, and well, see. Okay, my breakfast is. So well, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's see what happened here. So, well, let's take the risk. Remember, if you don't like the point, I don't know what to say. Hide volatility conditions. Use the correct lot size. Okay. We got the shooting star. Really nice reaction. So let's be ready. Fifty-two ninety, 52.92, inclusive a good point. Let's see. Testing the point. Remember, I need to wait 2, 3 candles there into the point for clarify the position. At this moment, we are not into a trade, okay? We are just waiting 52.90 at this point. What we need, a little consolidation in 1 minute into the sell zone, guys. Okay, just waiting. Tentative point 52.92. But let's see. Okay, waiting. Okay, reaction there. Let's see. Still waiting. Still waiting. Nothing confirmed at this moment. Price is still there into 52.92. So looks great. Probably a good point. Let's wait these 30 seconds for see what happened with this candle. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's good. Okay. Let's revert the position. I'm into a sell position now. Sell position now. Okay. Mhm. Let's see the 92. Jesus Christ. It gave us a massive reaction there. But not a good successful trade. Well, we're not a good successful point. So, well, the point of entry wasn't that good. $93. Let's see what we have. But again, we are into the position here. 52.86. 52.86. If you have the opportunity to wait a little more, it's better. My point of entry is not the best one. 52.93. So, well, that's it. $50. 03. Uh-huh. TP1. 52.70. 90. 52. $76. 78. TP3. TP 52. 75. 52. 68. No, 70 entonces. Let's see the reactions there. The stop is there, 52.93, that 50. $78. 75. 69. So we're still there with high volatility conditions at this point. 69, 75, 78, 79. Okay. High volatility conditions. I reduce the lot size just in case for the same reason. Let's see. We need to continue like this in the next 5 minutes. We'll try to open the trade. Give the order near to the 52.92. But well, the high volatility give us 40 pips candle, 50 pips candle. Let's see the reactions. Okay. So if you get the better point, that's great. Let's see now what we have. Good reaction. But sellers trying to continue with the pressure. Let's see what we have. Really high volatility at this point. Candles in 1 minute for 30, 40 pips. Normal conditions with this type of market. 50 pips. Remember, today is the Fed. Let's see what we have. Last three candles, we need to stay there near to the 40, 52, 83 at least. The last 3 minutes is really important to continue. Really, really important. Mm, candles for 40 pips. So remember, the stop, the maximum point is 52.93. That 50. This is the last 2 minutes. Let's see what we have. We need to stay there. Remember, if you don't like the position and you're in positive, you can close it. If you have the experience to resist, you are using the good and the proper lot size for your account, you can hold with me with no pressure and still holding the positions. Okay, going back to the 86. Even in this point, we can go straight to the stop. So be clear of that, okay? Why? Because we are seeing really massive candles, guys. So be clear of that. It's a difficult market, difficult conditions. And Dow Jones is Dow Jones. This is the last candle. We need to stay near to the 52.86 at least. Let's keep continue with the pressure for the sellers. Moving really, really hard. Okay. So the price stay there in 52.87. Let's see if we can survive some minutes more with a good pressure for sellers. We need to break the 52.81. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Now we got the consolidation into the 52.87. Let's see what happened. What a day. So again, testing the 52.87. Now looks difficult. Let's see if we have a good reaction for sellers. We need to see a good reaction in the next 3 candles at least. Trying to continue. Okay. It will test the 5282. We need to break that point if we want to continue. And there we are, guys. Almost TP1. TP1 it's now. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. So I will take some partials now. Mm, Going to the full beam. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point. TP2 it's now. Higher targets today. Now it's time to be in break even. Take your partials, take your B, guys. Share your profits. Now remember, I'm in full B, and I already take my partials, guys. Leandro, qué buena entrada, mi amigo. Gracias. Gusto. Share your profits. Share your profits. Mr. Myself. For that reason, I prefer the sell position at this point because it was into my sell zone. And for that reason, I take that position. So, well, beep, take your beam, set your break even. 80 pips. Who is still holding? If you are holding, take some partials, guys. Please take some partials. Remember, this is a high volatility market. So please, 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 please understand. Today is not a normal day. It's the Fed day, so it's difficult. Okay, guys. So share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. $30, $150, $10 for a decam. For Karimov, $20. $50 for Khaled. $1,300 for a dick. For NATO, $170. Beautiful. Samsung, $25. Sammy, $8. That's okay. Kashiko, $15. $80, $70 for Israel. That's great. Music, 32. Smicer, $428. That's great. Perfect, perfect, beautiful. So, well, hard reaction, guys. Almost as the beam. Let's see what we have. We got that one candle for around 70 pips, and their position was taken, guys. That's all for the position. But well, we survived. That's a beautiful thing. We survived to this entry, 80 pips, with no too much risk. We did it good. We did it good, guys. Thanks God. We got a beautiful pips here. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. Okay. Just you can contact me by WhatsApp. It's a $169 lifetime subscription, guys. So the good thing with this trade was when I shared the order. I shared the order here in this candle. In this candle, I shared the order here. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, 11, 12. More than 50 minutes for take this position. So for that reason, I think many people of here get a really good profit. So that's great. That's make me happy, of course. That's really, really nice. That's really, really nice. Kevin Chang, $115, my friend. Perfect. Perfect, my friend. That's beautiful. Perfect, my friend Kevin. Kevin was the last member for the Telegram. Thanks for the support, my friend. Hopefully, you enjoyed the signals there, my friend. Uh, 747 plus 80 pips. Beautiful. Thank you, Lorito. It's a pleasure. How many minutes more for funk? Uh, can you discuss the explanation of the trade? Okay, perfect. The people who are asking how looks the signals into the Telegram. The Telegram looks like this. But first, I share my ideas, preparing a long position gold, preparing a long position US 30. Then I tried a long position in Dow Jones with a TP1, 70 pips. Then I will explain. I will prepare up another short position, high volatility, so use a regular size for your account. The entry, the point of entry, the TPs, TP1 for 60 pips and TP2 for 80 pips. So, yes. Beautiful. No, it's not for free. It's $169 lifetime subscription. Lifetime subscription means it's one payment for the rest of your life. It's just one payment. It's not like a subscription or something. It's just one payment. Well, beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Why I choose this position? Remember that this one was our sell zone. It was our sell zone here. I noticed the 0.5 is giving us a really good pips. So I tried to open the trade near to 52.82. Unfortunately, if we go to 1 minute, I provide the entry here in 52.92. Then we survive to this high volatility consolidation, and then it gives us more than 100 pips there. It was beautiful, great, and that was the reason. That was the reason. Many people here generate a good, really good money with the signal, so that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So well, guys, beautiful trade, but today it's not a normal day. It's a funky day. Mel Rupp, my friend, forgive you the access. Um, just contact me by WhatsApp, please. Contact me by WhatsApp for Mel Rupp 2. Go there and share me your user, please. It's it's video luck, my friend. Thanks for your support. Now remember, guys, we're out of the trade. We did the 80 pips, and that's all. It was pure and crude scalping. No, don't go sell. Don't go sell, my friend. No, it's not a re-entry, guys. It's not a re-entry. We did some scalping there, and that's all. We get some pips. Many people get some money. Don't be greedy. That's all, guys. The price will continue at least for the 54 for this week. Be clear of that. Be clear of that. See, boy. To be honest, unexpected, crazy things as yesterday with the Donald Trump um, speech. Same as yesterday. So, well, guys, remember the ones we're asking, just be patient. It's a lifetime subscription for $169. Okay, it's not for free, just in case. I'll be back. I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. Okay. So well, guys, let me update these ones. Yeah, we can. Wasn't enough. Wasn't enough to defend. So, 87. So the Southern did give us something good. Um, and well, the reaction was for 100 pips and everything, but of course the buyers continue with the pressure and everything. And for 1 hour candle, provide us a new zone for open a long position. If I'm going to take the long, no. Why? Because why I'm not going to take the long position? Because the um, the funk is coming. The funk is coming. So I'm not sure what they are going to say. So so the conditions is not the best ones. Okay, let's see what we have. And well, remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the prop firm match.com. There you will see what is the best option and the best prop firm according where are you from, according your necessities, according your money. There you will see many opportunities for take a challenge, guys. So just go into the link. I will share the link into the chat. Click there. Of course, try to understand before apply any challenge. Just go into the reviews and everything. Please be clear of that. I'm more than welcome. There you will see a really good discounts too. Okay, perfect. So well, now just waiting. Okay. Which brokers does he use? Now I'm using Alchemy Markets. This is what I'm showing you guys. The prices here is Alchemy. Alchemy Markets. And no, I don't like MetaTrader 5. Trading View, it's 1000 better than MT5. Than MT5 or NT4. If you're going to use the cell phone, MT5 is going to be good. But but for the computer, NT5 and NT4 is awful. So well, guys, we did our best today. We did our best today. This week start with difficult positions. Monday was difficult. Monday we start with one stop loss in Tokyo for 56 pips. Then New York session for 65 pips in negative. Yesterday in Tokyo session, 55 pips in positive and 90 pips in positive. For today, we did a sell for 80 pips in positive in gold and a long position for Dow Jones for 70 pips in positive. So it was a good day. It was a good day. Hopefully, for many people can take the position. Okay. So I see many people in profit. So that's make me happy. Really, really happy. Really, really good money. So thanks God. Um, we will be in profit. Um, how can I trade in TradingView? It depends of your broker, my friend. Brokers will provide you the um, the options. Yeah, and people sometimes ask me about the risk, the percentage of the risk, but it depends of your account. In a normal conditions, open quotation in a normal conditions, we will use 55 pips stop loss. In high volatility conditions, we will use 65 pips stop loss. Well, it depends. It depends. The lot size depends of what do you want to use for your trades. The lot size. The lot size is important. Um, and well, that depends of the positions, guys. Ando como conquistando. The projection for the US Fed news, not sure. I think we will go to the 54, to be honest. 54 if the target for before apply any dip retracement. Uh, Eso, mi amigo Daniel de Argentina, excelente. What is the projection? Perfect, my friend Lewis. It's good. It's beautiful. Hopefully, um, it did the TP1, so that was great. TP1 and TP2, but it touched my B. But many pips there in Dow Jones too. Uh, Goodbye to Raki. These people. The real Pisces. Uh, I don't know how that people trade. They don't understand, but they came here risking too much. Um, they don't understand what they're seeing into the graphics, into the chart, and they want to trade. No sense. If you want to learn, first learn the basic things. What basic things? Um, how, how trade looks like. Like at least learn the entries. But well, I make no profits for today, my friends. Sorry for that, but well, it's part of the trading. No make profits. The rest of the people have many time, at least 50 minutes for take a sell position, a really nice position. Perfect, Kevin. That's a pleasure, my friend. Control yourself. Don't take unnecessary risks. So, so yes, try to just follow the entries into the Telegram. You will be okay using the correct lot size and the correct stop loss. You will be okay. Go. If you want to learn Discord is the option. Live after this enable on price. Uptrend is available. Uptrend is we need. Okay, sorry, live. Laurito, how far can the gold price correction go? So we will. I think we will touch the 54. Why? Why the 54? Uh, mm, so if we go to the past days, it's very simple. Just simple analysis. The first day when we break the 2000. Well, no, 2000 is too much. Well, let's go to the 2000. Yes, 2000 here. 2000. We were here in 2000. Then we got a deep retracement. Many people was expecting, many people was expecting to fill the gap. 1840. Here's a gap. But what happened with that gap? Massive gap. It was a massive gap. In that moment was very massive. What happened there? Nothing. The price don't care about that gap. Continue with the uptrend. We arrive to the 24. And what happened in 24? In 24, we saw a deep retracements there in 24. Of course, the price continue, and then arrive to the 3,000. The price continue like this, trying to stay there. And what happened here? In 34, finally, we saw a deep corrections in 34. Then what happened? We arrive again to the 4,000. And what happened here? Again, almost 44, just for 20 pips. We didn't see nothing. But well, just for some pips. Deep retracement in the 44. So what is going to happen here? 54. Deep retracement. Probably around 49.50, and then continue. That's my expectations for deep retracement into the 54. So well, it's a simple things what you can see if you play attention for the market conditions. Well, it's really interesting. I know many people don't care about the back testing and that type of things, but well, it's important to know that. Well, we will see the 54 soon. CS development, my friend. Goodbye. I don't like the people like you. Sorry. Okay, why do you don't like MT5? Because it's awful. It looks like a 90s program. Critical Decision Sons. Um, I think Critical Decision Sun is around to 50, 53, um, 90, for example. But yes, that is the explanation. The goal will continue with the uptrend. Uh, no one, no one cares. Well, the investors don't care about for example, this gap. They fill the gap a little and then go goes up. We have another gap here, massive gap in 46, and that's all. That gap will continue here for the rest of our times. Yes, it will continue like this for the rest of our life. This gap, don't care about that. So well, guys, remember proper match. If you want to apply for a really good discount in prop firms, just go there. Make me a favor and click into the link. Many information there. Many discounts there. Really good. 20%, 35%, 40%. So well, many or options and many discounts there for all the wallets. I'm looking for another buy in Dow Jones for the next few minutes. Remember, Lewis, take care. Why take care? Because the Fed is coming. Fed is coming. So well, for the people into the Discord, for the people into the Telegram, I'll be back in Tokyo session. For the others members here into the channel, I'll be back here in New York session. Remember, for Telegram, lifetime subscriptions for Telegram signals is $169. Okay, it's not for free, it's $169. Lifetime payment means it's just one payment for the rest of your life. Okay, and you will receive many entries per month. So, well, guys, that's all for today. I appreciate everyone here. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the dislikes. Thanks for the new subscribers. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for your time, of course. Take care with your accounts. We already did a really good job today. The people in Telegram, just wait. Just wait the next position. Si retrocede 49, podría abrir una operación en largo, claro. Pero está difícil. Ojalá retroceda a 47, 48. So, well, guys, it's a pleasure by my side. That's all. Thanks for your time. Lewis, Life, Top Dog. For well, they're the beautiful members here. I appreciate everyone. Thanks for everything, guys. The new members, of course. Thanks. The ones we're going to ask for the Telegram is $169. It's not a